Just try one thing.
In this video I show you how I transform the brother pattern 121 into this complete new look.
Ich fang einfach irgendwo an. Move it left, move it right. Now the pattern feels alive. One small move, one little change. Suddenly it's not the same. Unite, encore une fois, and now it feels like more. Just try one thing, then try one more. One idea opens another door. Move it, change it, let it flow. Suddenly you don't wanna stop anymore. Oh, 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 I can make it mine. Oh, 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 one change at a time. Oh, pressure, no rules. Just playing with what feels right. Not perfect, not planned, just trying what I understand.
Show you how I changed the pattern 121 into something new. First I will open the pattern, which you can also download from our web page. This is pattern 121. This is what it basically looks like. It doesn't show the knit rows yet, so I will add them by clicking on helper colors, helper line, and now I will add the knit rows. They're just information for me. It's not something which is knitted or sent to the machine. It's just basically information for me. So I will add them. Then, because I only want to, in the brother book you see that you have to knit 2 rows, but I will now change the pattern only by knitting 1 row. And so that the pattern still works for me, and because I love to use the lace carriage only from one side, not on the same side where the knit carriage sits. I need to change the pattern. So in the first sequence the lace pattern starts from the left side, and in the second sequence it starts from the right side. So before I change the pattern, I first will mark all sequence which the lace pattern starts from the right side. So I will now click on edit, click on fill, and I use some brighter color to fill it in. So here I will come from the right side. So row 5, maybe I can also make it bigger. So row 5 will start the lace carriage from the right side. Here the lace comes from the left side again. So now I make every second pass purple, so I know when the lace comes from the right side. And what I already see, that I have white, purple, and end with white, and also start with white again. So to make it work, I now will copy it. So I don't get confused, I will set a small marker in here. Now I will copy it. And now put the copy above. Oh, edit. Okay, this is a sequence I wanted to change. Now I fill in a white color because this is not correct anymore. Then I use the purple again, so I make each second pass purple and keep the sequence. So now I end with the purple and start with white again. So now I prepared the pattern. Now I have to remove rows, therefore I zoom in. Go to my first pass. The first pass is correct because I start from the left side with the lace, but here I will start from the right side. So what I will now do, I will add a row for each purple sequence. So the pattern still works because I come in with the lace carriage from the right side. It doesn't select anything. And when it comes from the left side in, it starts selecting. So this I will continue adding empty rows. So now I'm almost done, but now I have one pass in addition, which I have to remove because the lace carriage comes from the right, goes in, goes out, goes in, goes out. Now I have two empty passes, so I will remove this pass. So it still works when I use it. So well, that's basically is it. When this is done, my pattern is actually I'm almost ready to go, and we can try it out. So what I will now do, I will remove the purple color to white again. Then I will remove my one dot. And what I also will do to make it more easy to read, I will change the red color to maybe a yellow color. And then I will make each second pass in red. So I know that I come from the other side. So I switch so that I now when I have my lace starts here on the left side, and then I knit from right to left with the yellow row. And when I see red, I knit from left to right with the red. So it's more a color, so I know which side I'm knitting. So now it works. Now the pattern is ready to go, but before I start knitting, I make sure that the red and yellow color is set on mute. Then you see a little eye. This means this color is only for me. And then I can repeat this pattern and start knitting. But before I do so, I will save me the pattern so I don't have to do it again.
Just try one thing. See what it brings. I don't need a perfect plan. Ich fang einfach irgendwo an. Move it left, move it right. Now the pattern feels alive. One small move, one little change. Suddenly it's not the same. Unite, encore une fois, and now it feels like more. Just try one thing, then try one more. One idea opens another door. Move it, change it, let it flow. Suddenly you don't wanna stop anymore. Oh, 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 I can make it mine. Oh, 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 one change at a time. Oh, pressure, no rules. Just playing with what feels right. Not perfect, not planned, just trying what I understand. Just try one thing, then try one more. One idea opens another plan. Ich fang einfach irgendwo an. Move it left, move it right. Now the pattern feels alive. One small move, one little change. Suddenly it's not the same. Unide, encore une fois, and now it feels like more. Just try one thing.